In Markburn, we're going to be looking at where we can insert image in Google Sheet. All right. So now to get the Google Sheet, you can just come right here and then click that. You can actually scroll up, and this is selfie sheet. So you're going to click on it. Now when you click on it, it will bring up a particular area where you see different types of template here. So what I want to do, I want to select a blank one to do the demonstration. All right. So I'm going to select the blank one right here. In two ways, you can actually insert the image right here in Google Sheet. I'm going to explore on both of these ways. Alright. And as you can see right here, the Google Sheet open. But for note right here, you have file, edit, view, insert, and all of that. So what I want is I want to click on the word insert. Notice when I click on the word insert, bring up this chat down box with several different types of stuff right here. So what I want to focus on right here is image. This when I come across is insert image in cell and it's insert image over cell. So we're going to explore these two options. First, we're going to insert in cell. Alright, so when I click on that now, that will actually open this section where you see camera, URL, photo, Google Drive, and all that. So I'm going to upload from the desktop. So I'm going to click browse right there. So when I click browse, it's going to take me to the desktop that I can actually get the image in order to place in that particular area. Alright, and if you notice right here, alright, you can actually scroll over here and click on desktop. So you know exactly where your image are. Alright, so click right there, click on open. Notice this is there you go, and then click on the photo, and then you're going to click on open. Now when you click on open, the fish notice to show that it actually load. Right, if you notice right here, it show you in a particular sheet right here. Yes, it's showing a particular sheet right here. Right, so let me see if I can increase it by coming right here, 200. All right, definitely this is how it look over the cell, in the cell rather. Right, so we're going to look at the next option. I clicking on insert again, go down here to image. I'm going to click on insert over. Alright, so we're going to take back the same routine. Alright, I'm going to take back the same routine now. Now take me directly back, and I'm going to click on the word open. Alright, and then we're just going to insert it. Alright, so if you notice, here you go. So we're going to click on it. You can actually click on it right here. You can actually size it down like that. Alright, you can actually take it and shift it like that. You can actually bring it down some more. So in which way you can actually want to do that, you can even click out right here, right, something side there. If you want to move it, you just simply click on it and you can drag it anywhere you want to drag it. That's it. So this is how you actually, for the ways in which you can actually insert image or photo right here in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.